Welcome to this new series where we will learn how to build a blog using the tool stack, and that is Tailwind, Alpine, Laravel, and Livewire. In this first lesson, we'll see how this application works. And the first thing to note is that when I navigate between the links, there will be no full page reload at the top. So if I click on Posts, About, and Home, there is no any full page reload, and that is good for performance. This is our home page. And when I scroll down, we have the latest blog posts. That's it for that page. Let's see the posts page. Here we are displaying the blog posts, and at the bottom we have our navigation. And if I click on the next page, we see the next posts. And if I click on the previous page, we see the previous posts. I can as well filter these posts using the categories. So if I click on nature, we see the posts associated with that category. And if I click on sports, we see the posts associated with that category. I can also live search. So if I come here and just type pre, we get one post because we see that the title has the pre-text included in it. And by the way, if a user is using slow internet and they try to live search, we are also providing good user experience by muting the content so as to let the user that their request is being processed. Let's see that in action. So if I just come here and simulate 3G here, and then I try to live search again, we see that the content is muted, and then we have the results. That's it for that page. Now let's close this one first, and then let's go to the about page. So here we just have an image and some text. Login page, it's a page to login, and register is a page to register. You can register here, and then you are redirected to the dashboard. You can log out. Let's log in with my account. Then you are redirected to the dashboard again. We can create a category here. So I'll just come here and create and click new. Then I'll create one called Livewire. Create. We have a flashback, a flash message here, which I think it takes around 5 to 6 seconds, then it disappears. We can edit. Let's edit this to Laravel. Then update. And if you want to close this, you just click on the X icon and it will disappear. I can delete it as well. Okay, it's deleted. Let's create it again so that we can create a post. So I'll create Laravel category, create, go to posts, and I'll create a new post. And the post will be Laravel service container, and the content will just be content. Then choose a file. I'll choose this image, and you also get a preview of the image that we are uploading. Then here I'm going to select Laravel and then create, and then it's created. And if you go to the front end and do a refresh, we see that it's created. Click on it, we see its details. We can also edit the post. So come here and I'll update that to updated, then this one to updated as well. I'll change the file as well to this one. We see the preview, change this to entertainment and update. And it's updated. If I come here and do a refresh, then here we get the post updated. And the URL as well, we have a nice slug for SEO purposes. And that's it for that. Then come back here. The next thing I want to show you is how this works if a user is experiencing slow internet. So I'll simulate 3G again, and then let's click on new post. You see you have some feedback here showing that the request is being processed. If I try to click on edit, the same thing. We have some feedback there. Delete. Okay, some feedback. Then it gets deleted. That's it for that. Let's check the dashboard. And here we are displaying the views and fully read counts. And these ones will be displayed in real time without refreshing the browser. Let me show you. So if I come here, we see we have 5 views. So if I click on this post, so it means this post has been viewed. You see it has been updated to 6. So for it to be fully read, you have to get to the bottom of this article. So let's scroll to the bottom and you'll see this one will update to 6. So let's scroll down and it updates to 6. And that's it for this lesson. See you in the next one where we will start building this project. Cheers.